हाँ बाद में।
Hi friends, we are on our way to Vai and we have stopped here to have our breakfast at Vitthal Kamath. So we thought we'll enjoy some South Indian delicacies. So we are having idli vada and the girls are relaxed here. They took a short walk. This is a nice place to just walk the dogs and our car is parked here. And they have a sitting outside also, so it's quite good because you can tie your pets while you're having your breakfast or lunch or whatever. So we quite like the food here and hence we have stopped for our breakfast. And look at the one begging as always. This one is guarding us. No one dare comes near our table while we eat. So here we were at the Anandvan Holiday Homes, and the first glance of the resort was like it is quite open, lots of space for the dogs to run around, open fields, and to go to our cottage we actually had to go through the car. Though so every cottage has a parking space in front of them. The staff here is very helpful, very courteous, smiling, and here we were greeted by the resident dog Frosty, who was too excited to meet Chica and Ash and put a few scratches on our car. Never mind, he was too cute. And the outside, the first glance of the cottage was very, very beautiful, surrounded by coconut trees. It gave a beach feeling actually. And the cottage were also made in such. There were lots of creepers. The designing part, I would say, highly appreciated, amazingly designed with so many different trees. And let me show you inside how it was. It was quite decent. They had provided chairs. These chairs we actually took outside in the night to just sit. fan. There was no AC. We didn't take the AC room because we went in winters and AC was obviously not needed. Um, but they do have AC rooms, so you can check that out. So here there was the washroom and the bathroom. They were different. The only thing was the toilet seat cover was broken in our room, so that's the only thing. Otherwise, it was quite decent. And they do provide hot water. They have some timings for that. In case you want to take a shower, just ask for the timings beforehand. So here's the bathroom. Very simple, very basic. Um, but this is how we wanted it because most of the time when you travel with pets, you're outdoors, you're outside, and the room actually we use only for sleeping and washing and whatever. I mean, bathing and stuff. So this was they had provided a cupboard and this sofa cum bed, which we actually made into a bed for the girls to sleep on at night. And this is how the backside looked like. They had provided a small sitting like a bed, a cot, I would say, and opened up to nice green. There was so much of space for the girls to run around. Absolutely green, and the climate was wonderful. So it was quite decent, quite a good room. As you can see here, they had provided towels too. And let's see where daddy and the girls are. I don't see them anywhere. Oh, they are already up. बापरे झाड हो पण बरं आहे त्यांनी कापलं नाहीये झाड चेअर घेऊन आपण नंतर आणि बसून अरे मागे मस्त आहे हो हो यांना सोडू शकतो का हो सोडू नको तो डॉग आहे ना सध्या म्हणून मी सोडत नाही गुर गुर चालू होईल थोड्या वेळात हा म्हणून म्हणलं एकदम नको त्याच्या एरिया आहे ना तू खाली जा मी सोडतोय ठीक आहे इकडे एक एक सोड ऐक क्रीपर्स किती छान आहे चला आत चला आत गाडीत नाही बसायचं सारखं चल तिकडे So let us take you around the resort now. But before that, I especially want to mention about the meals here. We had taken an all meal plan, so we were given breakfast, lunch, dinner, tea with snacks. And let me tell you, the food was simple, basic, but it was so tasty, so yummy. Homemade, it had a homemade, home touch feel. And we absolutely loved, I mean, we ate a lot, really a lot.
चिट्टू इकडे पिल्लू.
समोरनं घे समोरनं.
हास क्या इकडे आश का मैं.
Coming to the pet friendly
First of all,
environment.
I would like to
Yeah.
ask how come the idea of making it pet friendly?
Oh no, so I am a major dog lover
Okay.
and any animal for that
lover.
matter.
Okay.
We've had animals right from my childhood, right
Okay.
from my early days.
Okay.
I've always had a horse, but now it's a little difficult for me to have a horse on board.
Yeah.
I had a horse on my farm for some time.
Okay.
But then now it's not technically possible because
Okay.
it needs a lot of attention.
Yeah.
So I've been a pet friendly person since my childhood.
Mhm.
I love pets, and that's why I've always had dogs on this property, cats. So I've always encouraged people to get their pets along,
Okay,
and
okay,
because
perfect.
pets are, they are the ones who suffer the most. They don't get holidays.
Yeah.
So they're just stuck at one place.
I know.
So as we holiday, I'm sure they also need a break around.
Yeah, yeah.
And for pets being in such atmosphere, we are lucky enough to, in fact, the pets are lucky enough to have so much of outdoors. But people staying in the cities, in the metros, the
They
pets
don't
are very
get that
confined to a
exposure.
particular
Yeah.
area, and they just go on to walks where
Yeah,
they are
yeah,
leashed.
yeah. Perfect.
So they don't get to run around and be what they originally are. They have to run around, be around the place. So I created this atmosphere wherein even the pets can enjoy. No much of rules and regulations for the pets, but yes, we make sure the guests have their pets in their control and do not bother other guests
Other
or
guests,
other
yeah.
people, especially kids and all. They get scared. So that has been maintained. Uh, Guests coming in with pets are pretty conscious about their own set of rules, and
And do people like you get normally a lot of pet friendly
oh yes,
clients
we have a lot of
from
pets on
Pune,
board
Mumbai both?
from Pune, Mumbai.
Okay.
Well, it's nice to see the love between the owner and the pet, and it's really beautiful that especially the guests who come with their pets are very easy. What I have experienced, the difference between a regular tourist and a tourist coming in with their pets is the owner, the pet owners are really very easy. They are, they have no much requirement. It's just that they are with their pets and they make sure the pet is taken care of,
Enjoying,
yeah,
yeah,
and
yeah,
enjoying.
yeah.
So I love that kind of a situation where, because even I'm the same, but at times we have different criterias, different
True,
categories
yeah,
of tourists
true,
with
yeah.
different demands.
Yeah.
But the most wonderful guests I've ever had is the ones who come with their pets.
Perfect.
So, yeah.
Okay. And any food that you offer for the pets here?
So
Like,
not really, but when guests ask for some plain rice, they usually get their own stuff packed.
yeah.
They give it to us, we store it in the refrigerator, and whenever it's time for their pet's meal, they either come get in the kitchen and boil it, or we do it for them. Boil the chicken, give some plain rice, and that's done for them. Most of
Okay.
them, they carry their pedigree or
Dog food,
biscuits
yeah,
or dog
yeah,
food.
yeah.
Yeah, so that is also not much
Okay.
of a trouble for us
Okay.
to go off way and do anything extra. It's just a part of whatever
Okay,
routine.
okay. And any activities for the pets that like people can go for trek around
Yeah,
or
so
people
there are a couple of spots, especially the dam. In fact, on the Dome Dam, there's this boy named Indrajit Bhosle who runs the boat club there. So even that family is very fond of pets,
Okay.
very fond of dogs, and
Okay.
they have ducks, and they also had a horse, and so that place where the boat club is, guests take their dogs along, and the dog can also get in for a swim and be in
Okay.
the water. And
Okay.
so that's a great place, which is just around 3.5 kilometers from here, where you
Okay.
can take your pets there and get them into the water, make them run around.
Okay.
So yeah, that is one, and then the second is our farm where we send the guests. There also it's not a problem for them to be around.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.